And was PJ in the middle of them?
I don't think so.
Where was PJ?
He was sitting with them outside.
So when I asked if PJ was
He's supposed to. He's only 11. Do you want him to sit by himself?
So Ms. Perez, when I asked you if PJ was in the middle of all of that, you said no.
In the middle of all of what?
Was he with them when this was going on?
When they asked me why I got put out?
When they asked you why you got put out, when they were on their phones, when they were outside?
Ma'am, I don't know what they were looking at on their phone, first of all. What he saw or heard, I don't know. I just walked right out the door and Mr. Tomas came a few minutes later and says, you're not supposed to be sitting together or else they're going to think you're talking. I didn't talk to anybody. I just walked up to them and said, I don't know. I got put out right now. I don't know what's going on.
Ms. Perez, what's in your hand?
Oh, my cell phone.
No, what paperwork is in your hand?
I don't know. Am I supposed to have this?
Ms. Perez, what paperwork is in your hands?
My testimony, my deposition,
Ms.
right?
Perez, who gave you your deposition in the middle of your testimony that you are live testifying?
Yeah, I didn't have this. I just came in with it right now.
Judge, who gave it to you? Who gave it to you, Ms. Perez?
Aren't I supposed to have this?
Ms. Perez, who gave you your deposition?
Hold on, we're not gonna get back and forth.
I don't know what's going on. Am I not supposed to have this?
You can have it. Where did you get it?
I thought I got it from the attorney.
Judge, she thought she got it? Judge, she's not.
Wait a
I'm
minute.
done with your question.
Judge, Ms. Price,
What?
about 5-10 minutes ago, when you finished up with your testimony, who handed you that deposition?
I didn't, I've had this in my hand, but
While you were testifying?
no, I had it, it was outside.
Right. Who handed it to you when you walked back outside?
I don't remember.
Okay, so.
And I'm being honest with you.
Right, I can tell you because I watched it.
Okay. Yeah, I thought you were watching for something, but I didn't know what it was.
Lady Lynn gave it to you.
Oh, did she? Okay.
And Lady Lynn was sitting right next to each of them.
Okay.
Do you remember that?
Yeah, I don't know.
And then you were actively looking at a computer with a live feed of the YouTube feed from long.
I was?
Yes.
No, I was not. I just walked out the door. How is it that I watched a live feed when I just walked out the door?
You walked up to Lady Lynn.
Mm-hmm.
She handed that to you, and there was a live YouTube feed from Long Crime. Do you remember that?
No, I don't. And you know what? I'm going to say something. That is the truth and the God's honest truth. I just approached them. They asked me what was wrong. And you know what? I am so exhausted with you, sir. I got here at 5 in the morning. I didn't hold a conversation with no one. I passed out when I got to my daughter's house. Then, if somebody even handed me this right now, I wasn't even paying attention to that. And now you're accusing me of watching a live feed? You think that I would allow that little boy to watch a live feed? That's insanity what you're saying right here now. I would never do that.
You're not gonna get that. Do you know why you're not gonna get that? Because you have to lay the reason to do it. Do you understand? We don't go from 0 to 10 like this.
Judge, I would ask that this witness be excused before we make further.
Why don't we do this? Why don't we give the other side an opportunity before we start making requests in front of the witness?
I wasn't making a request. I just asked.
Mr. Maria made the request, right? Why don't we just measure our words and our requests? Mr. Tomas, do you want to hear from Ms. Perez?
Briefly, Judge. Ms. Perez, earlier today, when I first saw you, I gave you a copy of your deposition and I asked you to look through it, correct?
Right.
That was well before you testified.
Right.
Have you looked at any of that since you began testifying?
No, actually I've been walking around with it in my hand, sir. I tried to look at it and guess what? I didn't. That's why I'm asking them to read it to me because I didn't read it.
Go ahead.
All right, please go step outside.
Okay.
I think Crystal's out there now.
Here, let me give this to you because...
Ms. Perez, I want to remind you, don't talk about your testimony with any other witness.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Ms. Perez.